Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain investing app review to see a bit what you're using. So to get started with a hinder preview about investing.com. So the investing.com is a powerful all-in-one financial app that offers real-time data for stock, forex, crypto, commodities, and index across global market. It includes features like live chat, economic calendar, news updates, technical analysis tools, and customizable watch list. Many users appreciate how much data information is packed into one app, and it's especially helpful and useful for traders and investors who want to track multiple assets in one place. The app is free to use and available on both Android and iOS, with a premium version available for ad-free access and deeper analytics. However, the free version of the app includes a lot of ads, which some users find disruptive. Others mention occasional glitches or data delay, especially during high market activities. Additionally, while the premium version offers most tools or more tools, some users report difficulty managing their subscription or getting support. Still, investing.com is worth it for anyone who wants a reliable, information-rich market tracking app. Just be aware of the ads and test the free version before committing to a subscription. And that's all I have to say. So if you find the video a little bit more helpful, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more because it actually helps me out. And thank you.